Hi good guys, this is your good guy Maverick Manguera, an international property specialist of SMDC under Team ERL. So guys, dito pala sa Team ERL, we provide after service for our valued clients. So meron tayong team for the interior and rentals. And then we also assist our clients through bank financing. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa unit na interior ng team namin. So papakita namin siya sa inyo. So ito guys, kasama na yung mga utensils, and then yung mga table, upuan, and then sofa, and then yung TV console natin. So ito siya. Dito pala sa Short Tree, nagre-range yung daily rental natin dito from 2.5 to 3.5 depende sa season natin. So kapag peak season, umabot siya ng 3.5. Then pwede rin natin siyang ipa-long term. So napaka-the best talaga nung Short Tree or mga MOA projects natin for investment.